Hello students, welcome to Babbar's Academy. This video is the continuation of atoms and molecules. Please subscribe my channel so that you can see all the videos regarding this topic. We will do what is an atom, atoms are made up of three types of tiny particles like proton, neutron, and third is electron. All the atoms are made up of these three particles. Proton is positively charged and it is present inside the nucleus. I'll give you the example. This is the nucleus of an atom and this is the orbit. Proton and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. This is nucleus of the atom and these are the orbits. This is the electron. Suppose this is the atom of hydrogen. This electron revolves around the nucleus. Protons are positively charged and these are present inside the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged and these electrons, these revolve around the nucleus. But neutrons have no charge. These are present inside the nucleus. Number of electrons and number of protons are always equal. Now what is next? Element. What is element? Atoms of same kind of atoms of same kind combine to form an element. Suppose we take hydrogen an element, oxygen an element, even gold an element. These elements are made up of atoms of the same kind. Hydrogen is made up of same kind of atoms. Oxygen is made up of same kind of atoms. Even gold, this is also made up of gold atoms. These are the elements. Now I am going to tell you about molecule. What is molecule? Atoms, as I have already told you, are smallest particles. When two or more atoms combine chemically and tightly held together by attractive forces, a molecule is formed. This molecule can be an element and this can be a compound. Maybe you can write element or compound. This element, if the atoms are of the same kind, we have already discussed element. If the atoms are of same kind, then it is element, and if the atoms are of different kind, this is called the compound. First we take the molecules of element. If same type of atoms combine, then it is element. And if there are different types of atoms, then it is a molecule. In the first case, if these are of the same kind, we can write here same kind of atoms. Same kind of atoms combine to form the molecule of element. It may be mono, it may be bi, it may be triatomic, means atomic, you can say monatomic, biatomic and triatomic. If only one type of atoms combine, only helium is there, this is only one atom is there, then it is monoatomic, only one atom. It may be helium or you can say neon. These are inert gases. The second is biatomic, in which same type of atoms but more than two atoms combine to form biatomic element. This is, you can take the example of oxygen. That means two O atoms combine. In the same way, hydrogen, chlorine you can take. These are the biatomic elements. Now take triatomic. For example, O3. Three atoms of oxygen combine to form the triatomic atom, that is ozone. The number of atoms, how many? Maybe one, maybe two, or maybe three. The number of atoms combining to form a molecule is called its atomicity. This is definition of atomicity. Now come molecule of compound. We can take molecule of compound as if atoms of different elements join together in definite proportion, they form molecule. For example, if we take the case of water, here two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, they combine to form an element. This is molecule. This is called water molecule. And the condition is it should be in the definite proportion. It should be always be two hydrogen and one oxygen. Suppose कर लो यहाँ पे हम ये ले लेते हैं H2 and O2. If two atoms of hydrogen and two atoms of oxygen combine, this will not form water. This will form hydrogen peroxide. This is the another molecule. So this is the condition. It should be in the definite proportion, that is two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined to form water. In the same way, we can take another example. Let's say carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. If there is carbon monoxide, one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen combined to form carbon monoxide, and if there are two oxygen, then it will be carbon dioxide. This is the difference. Now next is, what is ion? Compounds contain charged particles called ions. What is that charged particle? An ion, there are two types of charged particles. An ion with positive charge and it is called a cation, and an ion with negative charge is called anion. We will see if these two positive and negative ions, they combine together, this where this charge comes. If we will discuss in the next video what is this positive and what is this negative charge. If positive and negative charged particle, they combine together, they form the molecules. For example, sodium chloride, sodium is positive and chloride is negative, and these charges should be equal number, one positive and one negative. This is called sodium chloride and formula is NaCl. If you like the video, comment and share it. Thank you.